Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to run Kendall's Tau. When do you use Kendall's Tau? Again, you use Kendall's Tau when you have a small data set and you have ranked data, or you have a large number of data that are ranked equally or at the same. So again, you're going to go up here to Analyze. You're going to go to Correlate. You're going to go to Bivariate instance. I'm going to use creativity and position again, and this time I'm going to select Kendall's Tau rather than Spearman. Everything else stays the same, and you're going to click OK. So here again, I've got creativity, and the relationship is significant, and it's again a negative relationship. So the more creative somebody is, the lower they are in their position on the biggest liar competition. So really the difference between a Pearson, a Spearman, and a Kendall's Tau is Pearson, you've got to have interval or ratio data. Spearman, you've got ordinal ranked data, and you could have a ratio data. And what it does is it ranks those data together and runs a correlation. And then Kendall's Tau, when you have small sample sizes and you have ranks that are the same.